Hello! Introducing Policy Compliance Guardian, an intelligent agentic system that automates policy monitoring and compliance management. So, problem statement: organizations struggle to maintain compliance with ever-changing regulations and policies. Compliance teams manually monitor multiple sources, download documents, and compare them line by line. This is time-consuming, expensive, and error-prone. Missing a critical update can lead to massive fines and reputational damage. Why these agents? Traditional automation cannot handle this complexity. AI agents are the solution. They autonomously monitor sources 24/7, intelligently download and analyze documents, perform context-aware comparisons to find real changes, and validate information against authoritative sources. Agents reason, adapt, and coordinate to provide true end-to-end automation. Now we are going to see how the agents works in this autonomous policy update system. The system maintains our current policy as temp text in Google Drive. On schedule, the fetcher tool downloads it for local processing as temp text. The monitor agent reads temp text and uses the Google search engine tool to check external updates. The authorizer agent validates these resources and generates final temp text. The comparison agent compares final temp text against the existing main temp text. If updated, the new version replaces final temp text in Drive, and the notification tool alerts the user. This entire automated process ensures our policy documents are always up to date and validated. Let's see it in action. A regulatory agency publishes an updated policy via email. Watch as the system automatically detects, downloads, and analyzes the document. It identifies specific changes, new reporting requirements, and updated deadlines, then verifies legitimacy through official sources. Within minutes, the compliance team receives an email summary highlighting what changed and what action is needed. Completely automatic, zero manual work. We built this using the ADK to power our intelligent agents. The system connects securely to Gmail, Google Docs, and Google Search for monitoring. Our innovation is multiple specialized agents working together. One monitoring updates, another compares documents, another verifies changes, and another sends notification and coordinating automatically to handle the entire compliance process. So, Policy Compliance Guardian transforms compliance from a manual burden into intelligent automation. Staying compliant no longer requires an army of people, just smart agents. Thank you.